Hi, and thanks for joining us for another episode of How It Works. I'm your host, Glen Witten, and today we're talking about ShowingTime scheduling and feedback software. ShowingTime is one of my favorite features because it's incredibly powerful, it's easy to use, and it absolutely will increase your showings. That's why we include it in all of our listing packages. When a house goes up for sale, the first few days can be very stressful. If you're priced right, you should see a wave of showing requests. If you're a professional scheduler, maybe this is no sweat for you, but for the rest of us, mere mortals, the process can be painful to manage. ShowingTime solves this once and for all. Without ShowingTime, you'll be forced to field showing requests at all hours and wherever you happen to be. Whether you're driving down the road or in a meeting or out to dinner or sleeping, it's a hassle. When you get a showing request, there are a handful of things you need to do. First, you need to make sure the person trying to access your house is really an agent. You need to capture their name, their company name, and their phone and email. You need to jot down the date, the time, the length of each showing requests, and you need to make sure that time is available on the schedule. Then you need to block it off in your calendar and provide access instructions to your home for that person. Then you need to follow up with that agent to get any feedback that they might have for you. Now, all of this can be handled by setting up your free ShowingTime account with your listing. To start, ShowingTime is only available to licensed realtors who belong to the local MLS. Information about the agent who's requesting the showing is included with every request, along with all their details for the showing that they've asked for. Next, agents can only request times that are available. The system automatically blocks any confirmed showings, so no double booking. You control the appointments. Confirm or decline by text, by email, or right in the ShowingTime app. You can set up push notifications. You can even suggest a better time if you like. You control the schedule of available times. If you have something going on at the house, you can block unavailable times. This can also be done as a one-off event or even a recurring restriction. Once you approve a showing, only then is the agent given instructions for accessing your property. If you have a lockbox code, no one can see it until you approve their showing. You can also change your lockbox code anytime you like. For vacant properties, select the Go and Show option. Agents still request an appointment, but those requests are automatically approved by the system, assuming they are available. You still get the full details, but there's no delay in approving the appointments, so you get more showings, especially last minute showings when they're in the neighborhood. My favorite part, the moment the showing is over, ShowingTime automatically requests feedback from the agent and then it reminds them daily until they respond. Once the agent sends feedback, you receive it automatically. Look, agents are creatures of habit. Using ShowingTime to set up showings is what agents are doing all day, every day. ShowingTime makes it easier for agents to schedule all their showings. So if you don't have ShowingTime, you may see a drop in showings. So let technology work for you. Focus on all the other things that you have to do and go live your life. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We look forward to working with you. And as always, reach out or book a free call if you have any questions. And remember, you can sell it. We can help.